So yeah, shall we start with a discussion? Do you want this topic? Like, do you all like this topic? Turning point of my life.
Yes, I liked it, but I had discussed many times that what is my turning point of my life.
Okay,
So
so if
that
you
I
do
had
not
discussed
want to
already.
actually discuss this topic, then we can discuss some another topic.
I don't have any problem. If you want
No,
to,
no, no, no.
if you want,
No, it's not about problem. It's just that maybe he asked me for a suggestion for a topic earlier, and I said, okay, turning point of my life is a very good topic. So I did not know that he was going to pick this
exactly,
for
this
today.
is really good topic,
So
and
we'll first start with turning point of my life, and then we can go on another topic if you both finish early. But we'll start with Amitesh sir. Amitesh sir, why don't you tell us what is the turning point of your life? Now I'll mute my mic so that you can speak.
Actually, still no any turning point of my life because I'm waiting for someone, some old person or some बुजुर्ग को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते senior citizen. Some
Some
senior
elder,
citizen
yeah.
told, yeah, some senior citizen told about when someone's came in life. मतलब कोई ladies के आने से life change हो जाते हैं. So I'm
Wow.
waiting for that moment, how to change my life. But one thing is that when I have completed a diploma in mechanical, after that I came in India for BTech. So this is a turning point of my life because when we came here, so many Indian friends are made, and uh, everything about some point I know about Indian culture, Indian uh, society, and Indian living standard. So this is a part of my life also.
How
So
is Indian living standard, by the way, Amitesh sir? Is it similar to that of Nepal's or is it different in some ways? Like we share a similar culture, I guess. Not the same
yeah,
culture, but a little bit
most
similar culture with Nepal, right?
yes, ma'am. Most of culture are similar,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
but some and every religions are stay in Nepal also. So different religions celebrate different types of festival. So some, but so many Hindus are there also.
Yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah.
why similar culture are here.
So, did you face any problem when you came to India? What
Still
kind of
no
problems?
any. Actually, when I just started job in Noida, that's and that time I stay in New Delhi, Lakshmi Nagar. That time only I face some little issue in night. My cell phone and some little money are kept that moment. This time only face issue, but no any facing till now any problem.
So, actually, it's great to know that Amitesh sir is actually waiting for someone to come and change his entire life. Which I guess Amitesh sir is really dramatic because it only happens in movies. In real life, I don't know if this happens. And best of luck. You're waiting for someone to come and change your life. Best of luck, Amitesh sir. I
Thank you so much.
mean, I mean, not to do anything with you, Amitesh sir, but it's actually hard to believe that someone come and changes your entire life. Amitesh sir, there are a lot of turning points. Like even if I am not that experienced, I would say compared to all of you in life, there's still a lot of points in my life that has been like turning points. Like I won't say completely, but they shaped my way to where I am now. So all those points are actually turning points, Amitesh sir. Now the turning point that you are waiting for, that is not a turning point. That is actually 360-degree turning point. That they change
Yeah,
your
actually,
entire curriculum, your entire schedule, the way you go in life. Not change, I guess. I hope that does not happen, but it's just the way it is.
yeah. Now actually, I've completed 10, completed diploma, completed BTech. This is also a part of turning point of life.
A lot of
So,
things happen that changes the path that you're
uh,
walking on and
and
leads you to a
I'm
different path altogether.
I'm currently working in Maruti Suzuki. This is my third company. So this is also a turning point of my life
Of course.
because previous two companies also some new experience, and here also some new experience. So lots of things are turning points.
Well spoken, Amitesh sir. Well spoken. Praveen sir, hello.
Yes, yes, ma'am. So I am here, and I was listening Amitesh ji about the turning point of life.
Yes,
So
Amitesh sir was speaking on that topic. So Praveen sir, we are discussing on this topic. I guess everyone knows since it has been put in the group. It's turning point of my life. So next, Asma ma'am is going to speak, and then we can expect you to speak on this topic, right? After Asma ma'am.
right, right.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Asma ma'am, we would love to hear
Yes.
your turning point in life.
Yes, good evening, Praveen sir. As all of you, as all know about my turning point, that what kind of struggle I faced in my life during, I was doing job. First time after marriage, first time I came to work outside. So that time my struggle, everybody knows about this, but same with, same with this. Actually, my family is they are having actually orthodox mentality, and they are really very religious. So they, somewhere they expect me to do lots of work actually. So they were, I was not allowed to take a call of from office, like that. They were like that actually. So turning point of my life, second time, if I will say, so when my daughter born, so my husband really changed. This was turning point of my life, because he motivate me, he encouraged me to grow career wise, and now he means, if I will say, this was a drastical change in my husband. So it was, it will not wrong, because really with the with my daughter's, when she came in my life, so my husband really changed, and he really motivate me, he really encouraged me to grow. And now he always say me, if you want to go for any course, please do with this. If you want to take any kind of education, because he knows that I want to complete my PhD. Okay. And when I share this idea, so always when I share anything to him, he always welcome this kind of idea. So this is really turning point of my life. When my daughter came in my life, when she born, he really completely changed, and he really, think, okay, what I want actually, what I want from my life. So he really support me, he really helped me with, when my daughter came in my life. So I would say that it was second time turning point of my life, when my daughter is born. Yes.
What was your first turning point, Asma ma'am? First that you got married. That was.
No, 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 not really, not. Seriously, it was not turning point of my life. Yes, in a negative sense, if you will say, yes, definitely it was really turning point of my life. No, I'm talking about, actually, when I started working outside
Okay,
as a
when you
computer
started
teacher.
working outside, that was your first turning point, and
Yes.
then after your daughter was
Not,
born.
no, no, no. It was not. It was not. Actually, when I started working outside, so as a, I started from computer teacher. Okay.
Okay.
Then, as a, pressure, you can say, or as a torture from in-laws, you can say anything. But to release this kind of pressure, to release this kind of, torture from my in-laws, I started taking education. First I first I enroll myself into MA degree, master. After that B.Ed, then M.Ed, then again MA in history, and then I became, assistant professor. So it was really turning point of my life, because as I was taking education on distance mode, so I was really not sure that I will be able to, get that job or not, because if you are taking education on distance mode, so you are not really sure because आप उतना ही पढ़ते हो, मतलब आप उतना डीप स्टडी नहीं करते हो. आप अगर एक दिन पहले पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो आपके दिमाग में क्या रहेगा. It was like that. So I was really not sure that I will be able to get that job. But when I gave interview, so I got selected. So this was turning point of my life.
And then second was when your daughter was born.
Yes, yes. When she born.
When she
And
was born.
when she came. Yes, yes.
Asma ma'am, it is she was born. I have written it in chat group also.
She was born.
Yeah, she was born.
Okay, okay, okay.
Because
Okay.
if you directly say she born, that does not make any sense. She was born.
Okay, she was born or she came in my life.
Yeah, she came in my life. It's a different way of saying,
Yes, yes.
right? So Asma ma'am has a really good story to this. It's actually amazing to know how males actually changed after after actually having a daughter. I've heard this quite a few times in my life, quite a few times from a lot of different people in my life, that they actually changed after having a daughter. Because having a sister is a different thing, having a wife is a different thing, having a daughter is totally a different thing. You actually nurture them with a lot of care and love, knowing that you will treat them with the best of the things that you will ever have. Like, you'll give them best of all the things that you ever have. That's really amazing, Asma ma'am.
But I really believe that when a daughter came in someone's a male's life, so they really changed.
Of course.
Their life became changed actually. And this thing I really experienced from बहुत नजदीक से देखा है मैंने. इसको क्या बोलेंगे?
You've
रिया
seen
मैम?
it up close.
You?
I have seen it up close.
हाँ, I have seen
It,
up close.
Yeah, I've seen it up close, which means I've seen it from very, very near distance.
Yes, yes.
The way of saying it.
Yeah, I also agree with this point.
Yeah, it's something that we all agree with, because it's something we all have experienced in life. I have heard about it a lot of times and seen also that this actually happens. Males actually do mature when they have daughters, because they now know that they have to take care of someone with the utmost care. Like, when you look at
See, this is the best example. Means get together is going on. All are sitting, all are talking with each other, and I'm attending my lecture. So this is really biggest change in my
exactly,
life.
this is the biggest change in your life, that you're actually
Yes.
able to do something of
Yes,
your own
attend.
choice
Yes.
without being
Yes.
pressured of
Yes,
sitting somewhere.
yes, sitting somewhere,
Exactly.
sitting alone actually. So this is really biggest change in my life. So I can't right now. Okay.
Congratulations,
How
Asma
I'm
ma'am.
feeling
This
lucky
is
myself.
this is something really good to hear actually.